Okay, that's Bobby Witt Jr. down there somewhere. Plate, really far away. The guy in second. Miguel Garcia second. I mean, if we could get any closer. Oh, I needed my little thing for my lens to zoom in. There we go. It's Junior getting a base hit. Bobby Witt Jr. with a hit and an RBI. Perez down there somewhere. Probably goes with the first pitch. There goes Witt. Told you. Yeah, looks safe. Yeah. There he goes. Going to steal third. Oh, he's out. Are you done with the fries?
Yeah, Fate's going to do it.
Oh, okay. Okay, Hope, we're here at Angels Stadium. The Angels are winning 5-2. Joe Adell hit a 3-run homer, right?
Yeah.
What do we got? Oh, what do we got? Oh, okay. 2024 Topps Heritage Fat Pack, but only 20 cards, so not really like Bartolo Colon fat.
Here, Harper.
What do we got? Oh, we got Harper? Whoa, hold on. All right, Bryce Harper. My legs. Ozzie Albies. Oh, we're killing it so far offensively. Johnny DeLuca. NL champions. There's that Corbin Carroll.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
His mustache.
Yeah. Ronnie Mauricio. Will Benson. Andrew Benintendi. Okay. Well, we got MVPs from 1975. Who was it back then? Fred Lynn and Joe Morgan. All right. Jacob Lopez. Spencer Strider. He's out for the year. Jermil Candelario. Tukey Toussaint. Oh, James Outman Gold Cup. And we'll show you the back of these. Then we got Xander Bogaerts Pink. New Age performer Bo Bichette. Matt Olson of the Braves. Vinny Pasquantino. He's out there. Like way over, he's way somewhere over, yeah. I think he's actually playing first base tonight. Then we got Coco Montez.
I don't know who that is.
Home run leaders for 2023.
Who is those guys?
Mm-hmm. Pretty obvious. They hit lots of them. And then C.J. Abrams of the Nationals. All right. All right, Hope, we're up in section 504 tonight. What do we got? 2015. Okay. Topps Heritage. 1966 design. Oh, you got your performance hat, your Angels performance hat.
Do you know who Nico Goodrum is?
Yes, I do. I think he played for the Nationals or something. Having any luck there? 1966 design, 2015, so it had a little stripe across the top. Oh yeah, you killed that one. We ain't saving that pack. All right, what do we got here? Hector Neris and Chris Heston, rookie stars. Matt Joyce of the Rays. Let's take a look at the back here. Okay. Batting leaders. Jose Altuve, Victor Martinez, Michael Brantley. Wow, all those guys are really old. Kyle Lobstein and Buck Farmer. That didn't really work out for those guys. Matt Williams was a manager of the Nationals? I forgot about that.
I'm saving a card for
Brad Ziegler. He pitched for the A's. Danny Salazar of the Indians.
Save this for last.
Oh, we got a relic. Nice. Evan Gaddis. With some fabric. Well, he was a catcher for the Braves at the time of this card. All right, sweet. Oh, what we got? Seventh inning. Angels winning 5-2 in the top of the seventh. Oh, there's that former Cub we're supposed to care about. Oh, what we got? Let me see. Was it 2016? So 1967 design? Yeah, this is timely in 2024.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, whoa, there we go. All right, let's see what we got. See if you've heard of any of these people. That's got to be R.A. Dickey. R.A. Dickey of the Blue Jays, the knuckleballer. Get a little pea green back, all right. Then we got Jared Eichhoff and Colton Murray as 2016 rookie stars in air quotes. Chris Reed and Brian Ellington of the Marlins, sure, of course. Oh, there we go. There's Will Smith of the Brewers.
Great.
That's awesome. Edinson Voltron of the Royals. I'll say what that the vertical alignment of the stats. Okay, I'm losing it here. Brad Boxberger of the Rays. Somebody hit the ball hard. Was a base hit to left field. Eduardo Rodriguez of the Red Sox. Colby Lewis of the Rangers. Could you give us another pitcher? Brayon Pena, catcher of the Cardinals. Buy me some peanuts and nachos with cheese. Because they have a lead. Angels leading the Royals 5-3 in the bottom of the seventh. In section 504. Welcome, Faith of the program. What's up? What we got? Topps Heritage 2024. A fat pack. Not that fat. There's only 20 cards. But if you need help, let me know. While you do that, we'll see if somebody homers. Pick him up, throw him down. Oh, Juan Soto of the Yankees. That is sweet. Let's flip it over, see what the backs look like. Got that glare from the lights. All right, keep it coming. Anthony Volpe of the Yankees, back-to-back Yankees. It's a hot pack of Yankees. Blake Rutherford in the weird gray Nationals uniforms. All right, maybe a World Series card. All right. In game one, Tristan Casas of the Red Sox. Gabriel Moreno of the D-backs. The Phillies, Michael Lorenzen. We have another Yankee. Wow, Everson Pereira. We're going to do the Mets. Brett Beatty. Tigers, Alex Lange. Enrique Kiki Hernandez of the Dodgers. Tigers, Matt Vierling. The Rays, Taj Bradley. He pitched yesterday, did pretty well. Tawan Walker of the Phillies. Carlos Correa of the Twins. Marcus Semien of the Rangers. Joey Estes of the Athletics. All right, what we got next? Vidal Brujan of the Rays. I finally saw him play last week. All right. Didn't know he was in the majors. Ryan Wu on the base hit for Zach Neto. With a single to center field. They need some tack-on runs. I don't trust this bullpen. Francisco Lindor of the Mets and the trash. All right.
I can subscribe.
Thank you so much, Faith. It looks like that. Uh-oh, there's a bunt. Wow, exciting. All right, Kevin Pillar with the insurance runs. Runner goes. Don't even bother. Oh, look at that! Oh, that's a two-run double throw. Happy. Yeah,
He dropped the ball.
he did.
Watch that.
Yeah, he did not do a very good job of fielding that ball. All right.